Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and this is the incline push-up. So what you're going to do is get yourself on your stairs or your bed, or if you have a boxer bench, that's awesome. You're going to then lower everything down nice and slowly, touch the chest, don't be lying on whatever it is, and then push yourself up. Everything comes back up together. What we don't want to see is that we arch the back or that the bum comes up and then everything else comes up after. That's cheating. You want to keep the hands in nice and close. Imagine you're trying to push a car in front of you. From here, we want to build this up over time so you can do 10 to 20 reps with nice, solid form, making sure to breathe as you do them. Once you've improved that and you're feeling strong, you can then lower what you're using, go to the lower step of your stairs if you're using your stairs, and then you start to build yourself up to working down to the floor.